guess the track is my stage. So when I perform on the stage, I just feel so confident. My makeup looks good, my hair looks good. I don't know where they look good doing it.
As a teenager, I really sort of struggled with my skin. When you don't feel comfortable with yourself, you feel awkward. Being able to know that I had the perfect foundation match, it does give me the confidence.
Makeup can be for anyone. It can give me that little bit of extra confidence to take on the world. My face becomes my canvas and I can do so much with it.
Having the right foundation just makes me feel like I'm involved. I've never really found something that matched me. It's actually a really big step.
Confidence and beauty is just accepting yourself as you are. You need to be able to love yourself and take care of yourself in a way that's not always in a frantic rush.
The perfect makeup shade should just make you feel like yourself.
What you think of yourself is going to be more important than what other people think of you.
But if you feel confident, then other people will read that.
To find my perfect match is perfect, right?
I look amazing. I can do anything. I cannot be stopped.
Live the London look.